The smaller, mid-size truck segment, as it is now called, is red hot again, with a trio of new entries about to shake things up. But no matter what the competition throws at it, the Tacoma is the mainstay bestseller. In full disclosure, I own a Tacoma, a 2001 pre-runner that's been in my family ever since I reviewed it for the show 18 years ago and then bought it out of the press fleet. So I have particularly high standards for this truck. It has been the segment's sales leader for 12 years running, so I can't really blame Toyota for their if it ain't broke, don't fix it approach. But on the one hand, it performs up to and even beyond its lofty off-road reputation. But on the other hand, the drive just isn't right, and it seems as though Toyota is doing a bit of resting on their laurels here. Now, these were my words after I first test drove this all-new Tacoma in 2016. And frankly, my opinion really hasn't changed that much. It seems as though Toyota isn't giving you their best with this truck. And with products like Ranger, Gladiator, and an all-new Frontier on the way, not to mention an already more compelling Colorado, the Tacoma is facing its stiffest competition to date. Let me first focus on the positive. What is the Tacoma known for? Dependability. And it ranks first in that department from the most recent J.D. Power survey. It also retains its value better than any other truck in the segment. And at 20 mpg in mixed driving, it's also the most fuel-efficient, body-on-frame, V6-powered 4x4 pickup available. The Cavalry blue exterior color is magnificent, and the optional hard trifold tonneau cover is well conceived, lockable and water-resistant with easy-to-use latches and clips. Other than the droopy front spoiler, I really do like the look, particularly on this non-TRD range-topping limited grade, which flaunts a heavy dose of chrome. With everything as standard equipment other than the tonneau cover, MSRP of this Tacoma is $42,310. The Limited comes exclusively in the full four-door double cab body style with the smaller 5-foot bed, powered by the 278-horse V6 and 6-speed automatic with part-time four-wheel drive. The double wishbone front suspension contributes to a steady on-road ride that's quite comfortable for a small truck. Inside, having a strategically placed wireless charge pad for my phone is a welcome modern touch. And standard safety features remain impressively high, including collision mitigation, dynamic radar cruise control, and auto high beams. But now for the rest of the story. I've been very impressed with Toyota's latest crop of cars. But what on earth is going on with their truck division? I mean, this Tacoma is so disappointing in so many ways, and yet it is by far their freshest truck. Now, it all starts with this lousy 6-speed transmission. It makes the Tacoma zero fun to drive. And then why on this limited grade can't I get height adjustable, much less power front seats? This driving position is quite uncomfortable. In the rear seats, they offer less legroom than in my 18-year-old Tacoma. And then it's a compilation of the little things like not offering the smart key access on both the driver's side and passenger side doors, the ancient switchgear, the lack of Apple CarPlay, no automatic four-wheel drive setting, and for $43,000 you can't at least throw in some floor mats? Transmission mapping prioritizes fuel economy, so you're always stabbing at the gas pedal to induce a kickdown to a lower gear. Lots of road noise makes its way into the cabin, and if you're taller than 6'1", you'll be hitting your head getting in and out. I'd also like to see a four-wheel drive auto setting for changing road conditions. New for the 2019 model year, Toyota gives you 2 more USB ports located in the center console. Not having a place to put my foot on the bumper while the tailgate is down is something I still can't believe Toyota overlooked. For $300 though, Toyota will sell you a bed step. It's anticipated that a refreshed Tacoma will debut for the 2020 model year, at which point the competition will be coming fast and furiously. For TestDriveNow.com, I'm Steve Hammis.